as I've explained, you're not on the wrong channel. I'm just in LA, baby. Ah, those dulcet tones of trucks and police sirens. I'm in the sunshine, and what more do I want to eat than to sit outside, eat al fresco with a nice steak and a gorgeous side of coleslaw, and that is exactly what we're cooking for you guys today. And it's just a celebration of colour and flavour that everyone wants on their dish. Shall we get cracking? All right then. I really feel like I should slip into American every now and then. I don't think my American accent's very good though. Coleslaw, how do you say it?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw, coleslaw, okay. We're gonna make some coleslaw, yeah. So we're gonna start off actually by making the dressing for our coleslaw. So I've got here a nice big bowl, and to that we're gonna add in 2 big heaped tablespoons of natural yogurt. That's gonna go straight into our bowl. To that we're going to add the juice and zest of 1 gorgeous Californian lemon. Yeah, let's zest this baby. It's gonna take a moment. just bear with. Okay, and then we're going to chuck in the juice as well. Hope I don't have any cuts on my fingers. Now what this lemon is also going to do is going to act as a preservative for your vegetables. So it means that they won't go horribly brown when they're oxidizing. And a little top tip as well, which I haven't thrown out to you before. I always have a scraps bowl when I'm cooking, always. And that's where all your waste products are going to go in, and then I just dump this straight into my compost. Yeah, I compost. Now here we've got some celery salt. This isn't just an American thing, this is very much available in the UK. And we're gonna just go for 1 teaspoon of that. 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard. Ooh, some aggressive spout. Now we're gonna give this a good old stir and have a little taste before we season up, because as you can imagine, that celery salt is gonna have a saltiness to it. We've also got some sourness in with the yogurt. And once your sauce is ready to go, we're gonna pop that aside and we're gonna crack on with our vegetables. And there are only 3 going into this coleslaw. This is the basic. So this is cabbage, carrots, look at this, and onion. We're gonna finely shred up our cabbage. Whoa. Just going to slice through really thinly. Should definitely have a wet cloth under this chopping board. Now you only need a small cabbage, and I'm not gonna lie, everything in the US is like massive. So I'm probably just gonna go with half a cabbage for now. On the contrary, I bought some really fancy carrots and they're actually quite small. With these, I'm not going to skin them. I have washed them and scrubbed them so we've got all the dirt off, but I love the skin of a carrot. So you're just going to chop off those little gnarly bits at the end. We don't need those. And then I'm just going to get a grater and I'm going to grate straight into our bowl each of our carrots. This is going to excite me too much because look at the colours. Yeah! Look at those colours. I mean, you can really see them because they're all over my table. And then I've got what would be 1 small onion, but again, like the biggest onions I've ever seen. I'm going to go in with some half moons, just nice thin shapes that can really disperse throughout the coleslaw. And go nice and thin slices. Beautiful. We're now going to try and disperse everything through without making as little mess as possible. Yeah. Do you know what, I'm going to clear this away a little bit and just give this coleslaw its finest moment. Get off my coleslaw! No. Is that just a bee in the US? Oh, is that it? Oh, okay, that's all right. See, that to me is like a UK wasp. They're not real flowers. Oh! So there you have it, people. A beautiful rainbow coleslaw, super simple. And if you can get decent produce, like those lovely vibrant carrots, that is just gonna sit even more spectacularly on your barbecue table. I'm gonna tuck in. It's a simple pleasures. There is nothing complicated about that. It's packed with flavour. It's perfectly coated in that marinade, so it's not soft and soppy. You've still got that crunch. Winning. I hope you give this recipe a go, guys, and please do share all of your summer outdoor pictures with me on the Katie.Pix, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. If it's a social media platform, I'm gonna be there. So check it out. If you fancy it, why not subscribe? I'm here every single Tuesday. Until next time, have a wonderful, sunny day wherever you are in the world.